How to create service sale invoice in Businet. Users can create service sale invoice by selecting the source type as direct or sale order wise. In case user has selected source type as direct, then user need to select the customer name, salesperson name, and they need to add the items with all the mandatory details such as quantity, price, discount, tax, and other charges. Then, the GL details will be auto-selected as per the masters, but can be edited as per the requirement. User can also add the payment schedule and attach multiple attachments. Once the document is approved, the vouchers will be auto-posted in the financial accounting module, and users can also generate PDF print of the service invoice. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.